Hey there, Gel Press Obsessed fans. Today we're going to be playing with this cool tool I found at Lowe's. We're going to be playing with an 8x10 plate and an economy brayer. And I'm just using it just to put some plain white acrylic paint onto my plate. And this is the tool. So it makes these amazing wood grain textures by just kind of dragging it and rocking it back and forth. You can see I just have really cool wood grain textures. I am so excited to find this. Just to give you guys kind of an idea of what it looks like finished, I'm just going to throw some black paint on top of it. I don't know why my camera's being weird and going light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. And I'm just pulling it with some plain copy paper just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. It is super fun and inexpensive. I think it was like $7 or $8 at Lowe's, but it just makes for really fun, cool backgrounds. And what's great is you can do it with different colors. These are some with some burgundy, some purple, some blue, some metallics. I mean, just take a look at all these really cool, funky prints that I was able to make with this wood texture tool. So now we're going to do the same steps, and this time we're actually going to use it in a Delusions art journal, and it's black background. So I'm going to do the same thing with my white paint and do that kind of drag and rock technique to get my wood grain texture. And this time I'm actually going to flip it over into that black Delusions journal. And it's going to give me a really cool background to do an art journal piece with. And you can see I did just a few little plays to see which one I liked the best. So now let's get creative. So I'm not going to talk through this entire tutorial, but I'm just going to put on some fun and funky music and just let you guys watch as I turn this really cool background into a little art journal piece that is all about being okay with mess. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and you go out and grab this tool because it is so much fun to play with. And don't forget to follow us on social media and like and subscribe. Have an awesome day, guys. Enjoy.